Hey everyone, welcome back to Monument. We've got big news for Volvo. Volvo is bringing back rear wheel drives after 25 years with the 2023 XC40 C40 rear wheel drive recharge. Now the model year change comes along with a more powerful dual motor version. A quarter of a century has passed since Volvo last sold a car with rear wheel drive. For the 2023 model year, rear-wheel drive is back for Volvo vehicles. However, there is one key difference this time. There is no combustion engines. The updated XC40 and C40 recharge models are offered with not one, but two rear-wheel drive versions featuring different electric motors and batteries. The base model has 235 horsepower with a 69 kilowatt battery pack, while the more expensive version packs 248 horsepower with an 82 kilowatt battery pack. Now you might be wondering, what can these vehicles offer in terms of performance? Well, both rear-wheel drive models will do 0 to 62 miles an hour. That's a quick sprint in 7.4 seconds. And the vehicle additionally can max out at roughly around 100 miles per hour. Sticking to the base version with the smaller battery gets you 460 kilometers of range in the WLTP charge cycle and 240 miles per EPA for the XC40, while the sleeker sibling can go up to 470 kilowatt. Now additionally, the sleeker sibling can go up to 470 kilometers, that's 249 miles respectively. Now if you opt for the bigger battery pack, and the range jumps to 520 kilometers, 270 miles for the conventional shape electric crossover, while the C40 recharge can cover over 530 kilometers. Now this is absolutely fantastic for Volvo. They're updating their current lineup and they're bringing back something that probably will be helpful in a lot of cases. Rear-wheel drive will be very popular in EV vehicles in the near future. Now Volvo mentioned the 69 kilowatt battery pack can charge from 10 to 80% in around 34 minutes from 130 kilowatt DC public chargers. The larger battery pack can charge at up to 200 kilowatts. That's up from the previous 150 kilowatts, in which case going from 10 to 80% will take about 28 minutes of charge. The dual motor XC40 and the C40 recharge models gets the 82 kilowatt battery pack and will do a WLTP certified 500 kilometers in the case of the former, 510 kilometers for the latter. Additionally, 2023, the improved battery cooling implemented by Volvo's engineers have improved the range by 60 kilometers. And this is in the case of the XC40 recharge all-wheel drive. Now additionally, the 2023 model year comes along with newly designed 19-inch wheels that have been created with aerodynamics efficiency in mind by reducing drag. Now as a final note, Volvo is installing a new two-phase onboard charger in the plug-in hybrid model from 60 to 90 series that doubles the maximum charging power to 6.4 kilowatts. Now this is a very important change for the Volvo company. Now we also have a statement from Javier Vivela, that's Volvo's COO Deputy Chief Exec, and I quote, "These updates are another big step in our work towards becoming a fully electric car maker by 2030. Range and charging times are a new key factor for more and more of our customers. And these improvements make our fully electric models even more attractive than they already were." So this is good news for recharge customers. Those who bought one of the first might not be best pleased. However, for new customers or for customers upgrading to a new Volvo vehicles, I think they'll be quite happy with this. For previous customers, they might not be so happy, especially if they bought their vehicle quite recently. But the thing about this is that it was inevitable. Volvo had to make this upgrade. It's something that they've wanted to bring as a change to their vehicle lineup for quite some time. And this will go on to influence future Volvo models. And there's plenty of EV vehicles Volvo plans to debut in the near future. How will this affect future Volvo models? And as you can see in these Volvo vehicles, they still have the old concept. You know, these vehicles were initially built, designed to be a combustion engine vehicle along with a drivetrain. And you can see in these vehicles, you can still see it's an old design. But nevertheless, it's a functioning thing because this is one of the main vehicles that I would love to review on the channel, on the website. I'd love to get one of these vehicles for a full day to review, and additionally possibly to make some cinematic footage content for Volvo's use and for my own. So if there's anyone watching that are from Volvo, I would love to get in contact with your marketing department so we can possibly discuss some future projects together. But yeah, this is a very exciting thing from Volvo. So what we're looking forward to next is, of course, that would be the Volvo EX30. This is the rumored Volvo EX30. We don't know the exact name, but that's what everyone is calling it on the internet for now, the EX30. And this is a smaller version of Volvo's latest flagship SUV. That would be the EX90. In case you're curious about what these vehicles might look like, on the right, that would be the EX90, the big brother. On the left, that is the smaller crossover coupe, and that is basically a smaller version of the EX90, and people are calling it the EX30. It will be debuted at some point this year, and at that point, we will see what this vehicle looks like fully. But nevertheless, we're very excited for this vehicle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. I'll leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in our next video. And a reminder, of course, to check out our blog. We post videos on Neo, Polestar, Volvo, all sorts of articles.